Instead of staying in your room the whole day, go outside in the air. Instead of just walking slowly through the park, start running through the park. Step by step. Do something.
It's morning, day 3. And it was good overnight. I could see stars, so no clouds. It's brightening up. There's a big patch of blue sky, and if you look over yonder, where am I facing? Top of the hill. That's a crap angle, but there's some sun hitting the ground. Feet are okay. There's one little blister under here. There's the 2 old ones on the heels. This toe is fine, but the bases were sore. I woke up at 3 and they were stinging. And then I managed to go back to sleep, get another 3 hours. I think it's like 7 in the morning now. Been down to the river, fucking been to the toilet. All good. The shoes are still wet, I can't put them back on. So we're going with the boots. So I'm going to take the feet up, put the boots on. I've already done a fucking significant chunk of day 3. So hopefully I get into this town and the Spanish person is fucking awake, out of their fucking pit and ready to fucking serve me.
As soon as I pack camp up, it starts fucking drizzling, so now it's grey as fuck. I'm eating some peanuts. So one thing I forgot to do is fucking eat, but bags rearranged, boots are on. We're up in the cloudy shit again. There's some cows, musty cows. You see that? It's like being a bang face, man. Fuck. Oh, the sun is out, here it comes. Alright, first descent of the day done. So let's have a look at my bag, taking the rain cover off and being brave. So we got 2 sets of socks out on this side, 3 sets now. On that side we got 1 big one. I might start my sock kit again. And then on the front, because we're not wearing the boots, we got more space in the sack. So I put the crampons in. And that now, they're sturdy and like, even though they might not look it, but we just pray we don't lose the shoes, but fuck them, they're shit shoes. Okay, we've come up the forest of Scratchy Leg, blah blah blah. And we seem to be at some sort of top now. The sun is attempting to dry my shoes, but it's looking nice today. I'm just gonna head up to this peaky bit, see what we get. More fucking ferns. This is the route, believe it or not. Sun's come out. Just a little logistics moment for everyone. I kind of sat on a stone. I don't want to get me, so I had to take my boots off because they were getting a bit... can you see that? Yeah, let's go this way. There you go. So jacket goes on the floor, big socks come off, boots off. You're talking maybe 5 minutes to get it all off. I don't take these off because I don't want to lose the strapping, but they're so light. They dry nice and quickly, but fucking everything's difficult out here. Right, you've been chasing pigs up this road. I want to see if they were hiding around this fucking corner. Oh, they ran off again. Oh, there they are. Oink oink. Hello piggies. You got any bacon for me? What you got? Come here, piggy piggy. Anyone ever petted a wild pig? Oh, piggy piggy. Piggy piggy. What you got? See? Nothing to be afraid of, piggy piggy. What you got for me? Getting right up in the GoPro, eh? Let's go. Down, we've come down a nice easy foresty track and it's all opened up nicely. It's about 1 PM, day 3, and I think, yes, that's the fucking town of dreams. That's the one that has electricity and food. If it doesn't, well, Fuck. Some chickens. This is like when I lived in Dean Village and people took photos in my window because they thought it was a tourist attraction. Then an actual cheese factory with a fucking big French cheese shop, a proper one that French people shop in. We'll check him out. Okay, here's the trick. We're in Altudes, I believe, the end of day 3. There's a bunch of stuff in this town that's shut. No fucking surprise. There's a post office that's shut. The thing that you can sleep in is shut. There's this farmhouse which has like beef and cheese, but it's probably gonna be good. And then down that way there's a cafe that had some folk in, so we're gonna. And also here, if you have a look, we are on day 3, so there is not another shop apparently until day 6, and on day 5 there's a chalet about halfway into the day. We were resupplied at the farm shop. Now, they had some nice looking stuff in there, but it was fucking expensive. So that there, we've got some crisps. That's foie gras, right? Look away, animal people. That's fucking £30, 30 euros worth of foie gras. It's pretty fucking good. I don't know what that is. They just gave it to me for free because I spent 180 euros. That's some sort of beef stew with fat in it. That is, again, some sort of pate. Salmon? What's that? Fuck knows. That's in the sweet section, so I think it might be honey. I fucking hope it is. Another pate type thing. This is mouton, that's got to be sheep, right? So that's mutton stew. Down here we've got cow stuff. We got some expensive chocolate. Vin de Maison, whatever that is. It's wine, I guess. And then that's 2 big chorizo's and 2 big salami things. So I've got this way too heavy. Way too fucking heavy, but we're gonna have to eat it, aren't we? Nice one.
Yeah, we sat up in the cafe, got some sort of sandwich, a salad, coffee, loads of coke. Not more stuff coming. I'm charging all my small items, and then they're going to let me charge my batteries. So let's go. I think we'll move. Well, can't stay in town anyway. So we're gonna. What time is it now? It's still early afternoon. So I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna eat as much food as I can, so it makes me go to the toilet. So I'm going to the toilet indoors, and then I'm just gonna fire as far ahead as I can. The food I got from the farm shop's all out really good, but it's all in jars, so it's heavy as fuck. So I'm gonna have to eat a lot of food before I go to bed. But worse things have happened. You know. Okay, heading out of town. We're going up the valley, like up to the right. It's pretty steep, but I need to get up there. Make a head start on tomorrow. Once you get up, it's relatively flat, but I think it's a bit of a nightmare. I'm absolutely at maximum capacity of what I can fit in this bag, to the extent that I've got to keep the boots on and strap the trainers out the back. So, but the boots they're really good actually. They felt really good today, with wrapping, liner socks, big socks. There's no issue with them, like. So let's fucking go. Oh, just tanked up that hill like it wasn't even there, all the way from down there. So I don't know, man. So just so much positivity, having been so burst for days 1 and 2. I just went up it like it wasn't even there, and there was so much time pressure on day 1, obviously, like starting in Scotland and flying overnight and trying to do it, and coming down that hill in the pitch black. You'll obviously see the footage, and then with the head torch on and realizing that the last kilometre was a fucking massive uphill,
and you start shitting yourself because along the route there's all these little huts, but they're not like, they don't have doors on them. They're like little sheds, and you walk past them in the dark and you can't see what's in them, and all around you there's like ding 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 of the fucking horse bells, and you're trudging along looking down, and you look up for a second, there's a fucking demonic horse like in the fucking pathway, just like glowing eyes back at you. You fucking shit yourself, man. You can get very unnerving at night. And then you pitch up at the camping, there's like a big camping hostel there with like a reasonably big field around it, but it's shut. So you don't know if you're allowed to camp or not camp. So I hid behind a fucking tree, like I was straight on against the tree with the thing behind me, hoping I didn't get caught camping. Had massive fucking arse chafe, damp, sweaty, salty eyes. But anyway, I digress. I'm above the village now, so I'm just gonna keep going until it looks, well, like this is a great spot. Like this is dry, but I'd rather make more progress. Like I said earlier, I want to do the optional peaks. I need to get ahead of time. I started one day behind, but evidence so far kind of shows I can just walk all day, and I don't need to stop at the end of any day, so I can just keep going. So, you know, fucking eagle. Oh, you missed it. There he is. Oh, there's big fucking, there's all sorts of weird animals out here, but anyway, I'm gonna go. Nice one. So here's an HRP dilemma. I've got an hour and a half of daylight left, but I know if I head up, I'm basically on top of a hill for a long time, and I'll have to sleep up there. But you find things like this, and you're like, what is it? Like, is this for people to sleep in? Probably due to the fact he's put fucking blue ribbons around it. You're not allowed in. But you could hide out of the rain in there. But what I might do is just fucking, I just sit here for an hour, and if he shows up and kicks me out, then fuck it, and if not, when it gets dark I'll just dive in, and if he turns up I'll offer him fucking money. Right, okay, time to party. We've put loads of warm clothes on. I was getting cold because my base layer was fucking damp. Basically, there's a tiny bit of wind up here.
I was listening to the ocean. I saw a face in the sand, but when I picked it up, then it vanished away from my hands. Dawn. I had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw a piece of heaven waiting impatient for me. Dawn. And I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain. I felt alive and I can't complain. But no, take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore. I was painting a picture. The picture was a painting of you, and for a moment I thought you were here, but then again it wasn't true. And all this time I have been lying, lying in secret to myself. I've been putting sorrow on the forest place on my shelf. And I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain. I felt
fucking pissed on hard here. I hope it fucking stops before I put the tent up. But I'm just sitting here like this. Just fucking getting wet. Drinking my wine, listening to tunes. Glory.